Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of us is the SM Aura, located in BGC Taguig, Metro Manila, the Philippines. It's a very nice building. It's like a revert L. Wow, I'm amazed by the architecture of the mall. It's outstanding, guys. It's amazing. We're gonna go inside for a tour. We're gonna have lunch, definitely, and then we're gonna go on the open park, which is all the way on the top of the building. It has a nice view. Watch the video until the end and you will see for yourself. So as you know, guys, they don't really let us record inside malls here in the Philippines. That's one of the reasons I got this little gadget right here, so I can be recording low key. That's what's up. So let's check the mall out. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we at SM Aura in Taguig, BGC, Metro Manila, the Philippines. Yeah, I love the decoration. The decoration is giving us the mood. Alhamdulillah. Various. It's Stradivarius. I thought it was saying something like coronavirus. I was like, what? Oh, wow. So it's quite a big building then. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8 stories building. We got all the famous branded store. Yeah, all of them. Yeah. If you want to know where you at, I best you press some here. Okay, that is started. Aura. Yeah, man. Keep our C plastic free. Yo, I'm telling you, man, recording with this little device right here is sick AF. Yeah. It's so low key. Nobody knows. Nobody even knows this device, man. There's like, what the hell is that thing? Okay, back to topic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yo, even the bathroom is outstanding. Check it out. For a public mall, yeah, a toilet is on point. Let's go. So we got a little thing. Nice mirror. Yeah, that's the interior of the toilets for men. Oh, it's clean. Yes, very clean. They keep the whole area clean. They even have a good air freshener here, so that's a nice one. Say what up, K2. This is the K2 EXP recording all the way from the Philippines. So guys, I just got here at the burger joint. Okay, I'm in the food court of SM Aura. Yeah, and the place I choose to dine at is the burger joint. So it looks yummy, smells so good. I'm a little bit hungry, so I choose my own toppings. Yeah, with those, and I just got my indicator. I'm waiting for. We got four season Chinese cuisine too. It's not bad. I see they got like fish bowls. Yeah, they got quite some stuff. Like you see, just like Zhongguo the Shihao. Yeah, we just got the burger. That's how it looks like. It looks yummy. We're gonna try it and see how it tastes like. All right. I forgot to press record on my first bite. I'm telling you, it's killing. Oh, it's a good burger. Like, look how it is, man. It tastes so good. Like, we got the bunny, we got the patty, we got onions, mushrooms, barbecue sauce. Ah. Wow. Manam. So from here we're gonna go all the way up. Wow. Incredible. It's an incredible spot, man. Samsung Hall. Okay, you gotta check this out later on. A nice dining area on the, I think, 7th floor of the building. So we're gonna keep investigating, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's raining a little bit, but you know, it's alright to get wet a little bit.